In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Robinhood link. When people say Robinhood link, they usually mean one of two things: a referral invite link that lets friends sign up through you, or a link to a specific stock or profile. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on sharing your referral link from the Robinhood website, since that's the link tied to rewards. Start by signing in to your Robinhood account on the official website using a secure, up-to-date browser. Once you're in, look for the rewards section. Depending on the current layout, you'll typically find rewards in your main navigation or account menu. Robinhood occasionally updates its interface, so if you don't see it right away, check your account or profile menu options until you find rewards. Open Rewards, and you should see an option labeled Share Link or something similar. Click that, and Robinhood will display your unique referral URL. This link is specific to your account, so treat it like a personalized invite. It tracks who signs up through you and whether they complete the necessary steps for you to qualify for any promotional rewards. Next, copy the link. From there, you can paste it into a text message, email, or a direct message to someone you know. A short note helps. Let them know it's your Robinhood invite link and that any reward depends on them meeting the platform's requirements. Promotions can change over time, so avoid making promises about exact rewards or timelines. If you're sharing publicly, be mindful. Robinhood discourages posting referral links in spammy places, and accounts that do so can be flagged. It's best to share with people who are genuinely interested and to follow community guidelines wherever you post. A few important reminders before you send your link. Your referral link is unique to your account. Don't edit or shorten it in a way that could break tracking. For you to receive any reward, the person who uses your link must complete Robinhood's eligibility steps, which typically include signing up and linking a bank account. If they don't finish those steps, the reward won't apply. Encourage them to follow the on-screen prompts and verify their account fully. To recap, the flow is simple. Log into Robinhood, go to Rewards, click Share Link, then copy and send it responsibly. If you were thinking about sharing a stock or profile link instead, the platform also provides share options for those, but today we focused on the referral link. Share thoughtfully, stay within guidelines, and you're all set.